80 interesting facts about Sagittarius. Sagittarius, November 21st, December 21st, is the 9th astrological sign. Sagittarius is extrovert, optimistic and enthusiastic, and likes changes. Sagittarius born are able to transform their thoughts into concrete actions, and they will do anything to achieve their goals. That's one of 80 facts about Sagittarius. Let's explore this astrological sign with us. Facts 1. A Sagittarius' biggest flaw: doesn't think about the consequences of actions, decisions. They do what they want when they want. Facts 2. Sagittarius like being there for people, because they know what it feels like having no one there at difficult times. Facts 3. A Sagittarius is a good sidekick. They're down for almost anything. Good times. Facts 4. Don't ever try to control a Sagittarius unless you want problems. Facts 5. Sagittarius usually have the type of personality that allows you to drop any defenses and just be yourself. Fact 6. Sagittarius are quite clever in getting what they want. Fact 7. Sagittarius are good at overstepping boundaries and testing people's limits. They know the truth hurts and have no problem serving it to you. Facts 8. As a Sagittarius you need a friend with a sense of humor because you like to joke a lot and don't have time to babysit someone's feelings. Facts 9. Sagittarius, the philosopher, the comic, the optimist, the nomad, the wanderer, the free spirit, the freedom fighter, the restless, the blunt, the truth finder. Facts 10. Sagittarius hates seeing people suffer. It can be overwhelming for them. Facts 11. Sagittarians are rebels at heart. They are daredevils and adventurers. They are restless and dynamic, and they love the company of many different people. They are inquisitive to everything, and they are full of spirit and soul. They tend to be full of insight and have many things to offer to people who can understand them. Facts 12. If all the Sagittarius in the world got together and had a party, it would fun, sexy and completely naughty. Facts 13. As a Sagittarius you're not really the type to double-cross someone, nor do you deceive those whom you truly love. You're real from the start. Facts 14. Others may be put off by the intensity of Sagittarius thoughts and emotions. Facts 15. Is the type of person to sing at the top of their lungs, even if it's off-key. They have a good sense of humor. Fact 16. Sagittarians are bold and are typically nonconformists. They are usually fixated on the future, and prefer to find answers instead of problems. They like to focus on the positive rather than the negative. They may act foolish at times, such as leaping before looking or rushing headlong into things without proper preparations. Fact 17. Sagittarius have strength of character and will stand up for what they believe in. Facts 18. You get two types of Sagittarius, the one that wants to do their own thing, and the type that never wants to leave your side. Facts 19. Sagittarius could throw a wisdom out like confetti because they're pretty good at this. But they're not dumb and realize it usually falls on deaf ears. Facts 20. Sagittarius are not schemers. They would rather prefer to give up on the whole situation. Facts 21. If you break a Sagittarius trust, you probably won't ever get it back. Facts 22. A Sagittarius is the type of person everyone needs in their life. They don't sweat the small stuff, and can always keep us laughing. Facts 23. Sagittarius, the best way they protect themselves from getting hurt is not getting too close to anyone. Facts 24. Sagittarius are future thinkers and always tend to worry. Facts 25. Despite having such a seemingly lively personality, Sagittarians are very private people. Facts 26. Sagittarius is not judgmental, they just know pretty damn quickly if they like you or not. From your vibes and stuff. Facts 27. When Sagittarius is finally tired of trying, they will just leave, no fight, no argument, and sometimes not even a goodbye. Facts 28. When a Sagittarius is upset, they can be ruthless and the last thing they care about is your feelings. Facts 29. Sagittarians are renowned for aiming towards whatever they find alluring: a love partner, dream job, vacation, and achieve. Facts 30. Sagittarius have impeccable memories, so don't be surprised if they bring something up from ages ago just to prove a point. Facts 31. If they break down emotionally in front of you, consider you're lucky because not many people get to see them at their weakest. Facts 32. Sagittarius like being there for people, because they know what it feels like having no one there at difficult times. Facts 33. Sagittarius have a well-developed sense of humor. Facts 34. A Sagittarius likes alone time. They can't be with or around someone who is too protective, nosy, or controlling. Facts 35. Their fire can warm your soul, ignite passion, or torch everything in its path. Facts 36. As a Sagittarius you tell people exactly what state you're in, and that keeps your relationships candid and direct, just the way you like them. Facts 37. Caring too much is the one thing a Sagittarius battles with all the damn time. Facts 38. The Sagittarius may be procrastinators but do their best work under pressure. Facts 39. A Sagittarius will give awesome advice but will rarely follow it themselves. Facts 40. If a Sagittarius loves you, you're the luckiest person alive. Facts 41. Sagittarius cares for you deeply but doesn't always know how to show it. You'll have to read between the lines. Facts 42. Sagittarius are very conscious of the company they keep, preferring only to be with people who are trustworthy and like-minded. Facts 43. Sagittarius are forever thinking about and planning their future. Facts 44. 3 things Sagittarius are good at: trying to remain positive even in bad situations, getting their point across, mixing sarcasm with a little humor. Facts 45. They are the soldiers of the zodiac and dislike appearing weak. Facts 46. Sagittarius don't like when people drop hints instead of being straightforward. Facts 47. Leave it to Sagittarius to find out whatever it is they want to know. They are truth seekers and will find out the real deal by any means. Call them detectives, whatever, but they don't play when it comes to figuring things out. Facts 48. Don't argue with a Sagittarius. You'll lose. Facts 49. Biggest fear: being stuck in the same boring routine for the rest of their lives. Facts 50. Sagittarius gets irritated easily by stupidity. Facts 51. Sagittarius are sometimes the last people to fall asleep as their thoughts often keep them awake. Facts 52. If you betray Sagittarius once, you will lose their trust forever. Facts 53. As a Sagittarius your sign is perhaps the most honest, straightforward and open sign of the zodiac. Facts 54. Sagittarius can be the sweetest person until you piss them off. Facts 55. What people fail to see is that a Sagittarius can be really observant. Facts 56. Sagittarius will always have a mask on covering their true emotions. You don't need to know unless they want you to know. Facts 57. Sagittarius will do what needs to be done for themselves and the people they care about. Facts 58. A lot of times a Sagittarius let things fall into place and believe if something is meant to be then it is meant to be. Facts 59. Sagittarius are always wise enough to figure out the true intentions of the people they encountered. Facts 60. Sagittarians are very keen on body language and a person's tone of voice. This tells them everything they need to know about how to deal with you. Fact 61. A Sagittarius will love you unconditionally, just don't abuse that love. Fact 62. The Sagittarius needs space from friends, family, and romantic partners sometimes. They like their alone time. Fact 63. With Sagittarius, what you see is what you get, there is no faking anything. Fact 64. Sagittarius are flirty but picky, so consider yourself lucky if they diagnose you. Fact 65. Although they like to have fun, they'll prefer people who push them to be better people. They have the ability to put pieces of the puzzle together faster than you realize. They're smart in that area. They absolutely hate showing weakness. Fact 66. Sagittarius can tolerate a lot but they don't tolerate cheaters. Fact 67. Your Sagittarius may flirt, but that's just natural. Don't ever doubt their loyalty. Fact 68. A Sagittarius is that one friend that can be all philosophical one moment, and cracking jokes the next. Fact 69. You have to be really worth it for a Sagittarius to settle down and open themselves up emotionally. Fact 70. When Sagittarius have feelings for someone, those feelings will always be there. They may not like them anymore, but they'll still care. Fact 71. Sagittarius feel so much but they don't say a word, they're screaming inside but they don't seem to be heard. Fact 72. Sagittarius usually have two main goals, to live the good life and make a difference in the world. Fact 73. Sagittarius has their views and they stick to them. So chances are if they don't like you today, they still won't like your ass tomorrow. Fact 74. What makes Sagittarius sad? Being accused of something they didn't do. Fact 75. A Sagittarius is often guilty of holding in their problems very well until they finally explode in a fit of intense anger. Fact 76. Sagittarius never cry over one little thing. They cry once a million little things finally build up and they can't take it anymore. Fact 77. Sagittarius usually have two main goals, to live the good life and make a difference in the world. Fact 78. They may not always show it or shout it out to the world, but when they love you it's nothing they wouldn't do for you. Fact 79. Sagittarius don't regret their past. They just regret the time they've wasted with the wrong people. Facts 80. Will never let your opinions stop them from being who they are. Sagittarians are not ass kissers.